Yeah. Learning ain't luck. It's structure. It's potential. I don't just reward the goal, I reward the way I move. Every step holds meaning, every state tells truth. Future pulls me forward past fades out the noise. Quantum potential shaping how I make my choice. Back then it was reward only when you finally arrive. Now the path itself is teaching how to stay alive. Not just right or wrong, not just 0 or 1. Every state got a phase, every run's not done. Gamma pulls tomorrow into what I do today. 5 next minus now, that's the shape another way. Policy stays solid, optimal stays intact. I don't change the destination, I just smooth out the track. I don't just reward the goal, I reward the way I move. Every step holds meaning, every state tells truth. Future pulls me forward past fades out the noise. Quantum potential shaping how I make my choice. Now we level up. Welcome to the quantum layer. Not a single scale of value, it's a structured player. States in superposition, interference in the field. Good paths get amplified. Week 1 start to yield. Amplitude shows chances. Phase the size of flow. Constructive moves you forward. Destructive says no. Uncertainty ain't chaos, it's information side. Global structure guides me, I don't stumble, I glide. No action-based distortion, state-based keeps it clean. Policy and variance, I stay true to the scheme. Hybrid, classical, and quantum, best of both worlds align. Learning speeds up when the signal has a mind. I don't chase the reward, I design the space. Every move gets meaning, every step finds place. Not blind in the dark, I can see the field deployed. Quantum potential shaping how I make my choice. Yeah, spars, rewards, deep space, exploration hard. But the potential whispers, you're not, of course you're smart. Not greedy for the next hit, not stuck in the now. Global views beat short gains, that's the how. From robotics to control, theory down to code. Quantum ideas give direction to the learning mode. Not just faster to the target, but stable and aware. The journey gets rewarded, that's the power right there. Yeah. Learning isn't random, it's a feel. And once you feel the potential, you never move blind again. Yeah.